The wood in Africa is tough, but so are its people. Running a business that uplifts and empowers your community is not easy. On a continent where it is a daily challenge to feed your family, it is time to take control of your future. Set out on a solid path as you navigate the timber industry and partner with Wood-Mizer. With our cutting-edge equipment and 4 decades of experience, Wood-Mizer is synonymous with sustainable success. Wood-Mizer, a partner for life, a future for all.